Yes, be ready? Start. The respondent accused was enlarged on interim bail by the learned special court, which came to be extended from time to time. Full stop. On 8/12/2021, the learned special court cancelled the interim bail of the respondent accused on the ground that he did not appear before the special court despite specific directions and also did not cooperate with the CBI investigation. Full stop. That on 9/12/2021 and pursuant to the interim bail being cancelled, the respondent accused came to be arrested again on 11/12/2021 and was remanded to judicial custody. Full stop. That again from 12/12/2021 to 8/4/2022, while in judicial custody, the accused got admitted to the hospital and then again from 7/5/2022 to 8/9/2022. Full stop. Next stanza. That the accused submitted an application for default bail under section 167 within bracket 2 CRPC on the ground of non-filing of the charge sheet oblique report within the prescribed period of 90 days. Full stop. The learned special judge rejected the said application inter alia on the ground that the accused was not remanded to custody under section 167 within bracket 2 CRPC after cancellation of his bail on the grounds that the accused was granted interim bail under the provisions of chapter 33 CRPC and his detention pursuant to cancellation of bail was on the strength of warrants issued by the court. Full stop. That on 19/7/2022 the CBI filed a charge sheet against the accused and the cognizance was taken by the learned special court on the same date. Full stop. Against the judgment and order passed by the learned special judge rejecting the application submitted by the accused Vikas Mishra for statutory oblique default bail under section 167 within bracket 2 CRPC, the respondent accused preferred the present application before the High Court. By the impugned judgment and order, the High Court has allowed the said application and has directed to release the respondent on statutory oblique default bail under section 167 within bracket 2 CRPC as even within 90 days from the date of arrest, that is from 11/12/2021. The charge sheet was not filed and which came to be filed only on 19/7/2022. Full stop. Against the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court directing to release the respondent accused Vikas Mishra on statutory and default bail, the CBI has preferred the present appeal. Full stop. Next stanza. While issuing notice on 27/2/2022, this court passed the following order: issue notice to consider the prayer of the investigating agency to have the custodial interrogation of the accused, making it returnable on 13/3/2023. Full stop. Shri Rajnath Sehgal Learned Counsel accepts notice on behalf of the respondent who is on caveat. Full stop. to be notified within first 10 terms. Mr. Aishwarya Bhatti, learned ASG, appearing of behalf of the CBI, has vehemently submitted that as such the CBI got the police custody remand for a period of 7 days on 16 for 2021 till 22 for 2021 full stop. It is submitted that however the accused got himself first admitted to hospital and thereafter got interim bail which came to be subsequently cancelled on 8/12/2021, the CBI could not exercise the police custody remand which as such was allowed by the learned special judge on 16 for 2021 full stop. It is submitted that as such the order granting 7 days police custody remand attained finality and therefore the CBI should be given the police custody remand of the accused for the remainder period of 7 days full stop. It is submitted that as such all throughout the respondent accused managed to get himself hospitalized on one ground or the other and therefore as such successfully